Molly, what are we doing?
We are doing marron and steak.
So what would you call that?
Surf and turf.
Nice high heat, sear the outside and then turn the heat down and just keep rotating them, because what you want to do is you want to keep that juice in the middle. The juices sort of cook up, so you don't let them get to the top. Flip them before that. All right, so the next step with these marron is they've been in the ice, so they've gone to sleep, but the most humane way to dispatch of them is just a quick brain spike. So knife straight through like that. So I'm going to cut it down in the middle, wash the insides and then get it ready for garlic butter.
Okay, so another quick tip is to put some seafood seasoning on, just to give it a lot of flavour. Right now I'm just putting all of the garlic butter into the marron so that it tastes really good when we cook it up and it all melts through it.
All right, perfect, they're on. So now there is a bit of a debate as to how to cook the perfect cray or marron, whether you flip them and actually char that side because with the garlic butter on it, because you can sort of lose a fair bit of moisture when you do that. The other way to do it is just to leave them like that and cook them all the way through. They're nice and juicy, but you don't get that nice charred little edge. So just when it goes white the whole way through, that garlic butter's melted through perfectly. I think we're ready to plate up. Well, how good is this? It's looking amazing. Straight out of that dam onto the plate. Local steaks, we're in the southwest, beautiful scenery. I'd recommend coming down here and doing this yourself. It's time to eat though, eh?
Yes, definitely. Starving.